Did you know that low-carb diets can not only help you lose weight but also improve your overall health significantly? Studies have shown that transitioning to a low-carb lifestyle can lead to substantial benefits, including enhanced mental clarity and reduced risk of chronic diseases. Today, we're diving into 7 mouth-watering low-carb recipes that will help you lose weight without sacrificing flavor. But first, don't forget to check the description and pinned comment below for our free ebook on how to burn fat and lose weight while resting. It will show you how to lose weight faster and more efficiently, taking your weight loss to a whole new level. Now let's get into it. Get rid of it! Recipe 1. Cauliflower Rice Stir Fry. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. Start by chopping 1 head of cauliflower into florets. You'll then pulse the florets in a food processor until they resemble rice grains. Step 2. Cook the vegetables. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a large pan. Add diced onions, bell peppers, and carrots. Sauté until they're just tender. Step 3. Add the cauliflower rice. Stir in the cauliflower rice and cook for about 5 minutes. The key here is to keep it crunchy and not overcook it. Step 4. Flavor it up. Season with soy sauce, a pinch of salt, and pepper. For a spicy kick, add a dash of chili flakes. Note: using cauliflower as a rice substitute is a fantastic way to reduce carbs while still enjoying your favorite stir-fry dishes. It's not just tasty but also packed with nutrients. Recipe 2. Zucchini noodles with avocado pesto. Step 1. Make zucchini noodles. Use a spiralizer to turn zucchini into noodles. It's a fun way to include more veggies in your diet and an excellent pasta substitute. Step 2. Prepare avocado pesto. Blend an avocado, a handful of basil leaves, garlic, pine nuts, and lemon juice. This creates a creamy, flavorful pesto without the usual carbs found in traditional sauces. Step 3. Combine and serve. Toss the zucchini noodles with the avocado pesto. This dish is best served fresh to maintain the zoodles texture. Note: avocado adds a creaminess to the pesto that not only enhances flavor but also boosts your intake of healthy fats, which are crucial for a balanced low-carb diet. Recipe 3. Cheesy broccoli and chicken casserole. Step 1. Preheat and prep. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, cut 1 large chicken breast into bite-sized pieces and chop 2 cups of broccoli florets. Step 2. Cook chicken and broccoli. In a skillet, heat a bit of olive oil over medium heat. Add the chicken and cook until it's just done. Then, toss in the broccoli and cook for another couple of minutes. Step 3. Mix the cheesy sauce. In a separate bowl, combine a cup of heavy cream, a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix these until well blended. Step 4. Combine and bake. In a baking dish, mix the chicken and broccoli with the cheesy sauce. Spread evenly and sprinkle a little extra cheese on top. Bake for 20 minutes or until the top is golden and bubbly. Note: this casserole is not only low in carbs but also high in protein and essential nutrients, making it a satisfying meal that supports muscle maintenance and growth. Recipe 4. Spicy shrimp and avocado salad. Step 1. Prepare the shrimp. Season peeled shrimp with a mixture of chili powder, cumin, and garlic powder. Sauté in a pan with a little olive oil until they are pink and firm. Step 2. Assemble the salad. In a large bowl, combine sliced avocados, chopped tomatoes, diced red onion, and fresh cilantro. Step 3. Add shrimp and dressing. Toss the cooked shrimp into the salad. Drizzle with olive oil and lime juice for dressing and toss everything together for a refreshing and spicy salad. Note: shrimps are incredibly low in calories and carbs but high in protein and flavor, making them ideal for a low-carb diet. Recipe 5. Beef and vegetable skewers. Step 1. Marinate the beef. Cut beef into cubes and marinate for at least an hour in a mix of olive oil, soy sauce, garlic, and your choice of herbs. Step 2. Prepare skewers. Thread the marinated beef cubes onto skewers, alternating with chunks of bell peppers, onions, and zucchini. Step 3. Grill. Grill the skewers on a preheated grill, turning occasionally until the beef is cooked to your liking and vegetables are tender and slightly charred. Note: grilling is a fantastic way to enhance flavor without adding extra carbs. Plus, it's a fun way to get the whole family involved in healthy eating. Recipe 6. Spinach and feta stuffed chicken. Step 1. Prep chicken. Slice a pocket into the side of each chicken breast. Be careful not to cut all the way through. Step 2. Make filling. Mix chopped spinach, crumbled feta cheese, and a bit of lemon zest. Stuff this mixture into the pockets you made in the chicken. Step 3. Cook chicken. In a pan, sear the chicken on both sides until golden. Then, transfer to an oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 20 minutes, or until the chicken is thoroughly cooked. Note: this recipe is perfect for getting a good dose of protein and essential nutrients, making it a balanced meal for weight management. Recipe 7. Pumpkin Spice Smoothie. Step 1. Blend ingredients. Combine half a cup of pure pumpkin puree, a quarter cup of almond milk, a scoop of vanilla protein powder, a pinch of cinnamon, nutmeg, and clove in a blender. Step 2. Blend until smooth. Blend everything until smooth. If it's too thick, add a bit more almond milk to reach your desired consistency. Step 3. Serve. Pour into a glass and enjoy this festive, nutritious smoothie that's perfect for a quick breakfast or a post-workout snack. Note: pumpkin is not only seasonal and delicious, but also packed with fiber, which can help you feel full longer and aid in weight loss. There you have it. 7 low-carb recipes that are as delicious as they are beneficial for your weight loss journey. Each recipe is designed to keep you satisfied and on track with your health goals. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. And remember to claim your free ebook on how to burn fat and lose weight while resting in the description and pinned comment below. It will help you on your weight loss journey.